Hi, Jose. This is Kelly Carwile, owner of Larimar Digital Marketing. As promised, here's your custom video going through the top things that you can do to increase your online presence and bring in some more clients. So today I'm going to go through website content, the importance of keywords and backlinks, and then finally how getting to that top spot will directly impact your sales. So the first thing I want to go over is content. You have a really nice site, and it's really easy to navigate. It also loads very quickly for me, which is great. It does look like you could use some more content on your homepage, especially. When we talk about content, I mean all of the words that's on your front page, to include pictures and what's behind these pictures. Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page to be optimized or viewed as highly relevant in that keyword search. So you'll need to have enough unique and authoritative content to add in those keywords that are needed to bring your site to the top of the search results. So over here, Gutter Doctors Inc. is your top local competition. They have a little bit more content in their homepage. So to beat your competition, you're going to need to begin with some more content that has strategically mixed keywords built throughout it. So over here, I have done a Google search for gutter installation Tampa. So at the very top, we always see ads that are related to the search, and that's if we don't have an ad blocker on. And the next thing that we see here is the map pack. And I want to spend a little time here. You want to get yourself here to the top of the 3 because, as you can see, it's one of the first areas that's shown in that search result. You can get to the top of this map pack by filling out your Google business profile completely and then including your business in as many relevant directories as you can. Google's going to give you more score authority to referring sites that are relevant to your business. And these are going to help you rank higher in the maps. So you want to ensure that you're listed in the same directories as your competition, and then add even more to completely dominate in this area. So this is an area where your competition is showing up here in the organic search, but then also in the maps. So by getting yourself here in the maps, you're going to be above them, and you're going to be one of the first companies that somebody sees in this search result. So as we scroll down to that organic search that I talked about, we see that Gutter Doctor Inc. here is on the close to the top of that first page. They're the first local competition that is in that area, and they're the first one that comes up on the list underneath Angie and Home Advisor and things like that. So let's just take a quick peek at why your competition is outranking you. Okay, so Ahrefs is a tool that I use daily in my work to look at site metrics. It's very useful in doing our SEO analysis, and it's something that everybody can get just with a monthly subscription. So your Google site trustworthiness score is a 16, and your power score is a 0.1. So what that is telling me is your backlinks that you have on your website are not providing you the power that you need to really launch up into the top of that Google search. If we take a look at your competition here, they have a score of 22 and a 22 respectively. So by working on your content and your backlinks, this score here is going to improve over time. We see here on your website that you have 24 referring domains that are giving you 402 backlinks. And backlinks are just that. It's just a website that's sending a link back to your site. So it's important to note here that it's more about the quality of the backlinks and not so much about the quantity. So not all links are created equal. That link that you obtain is more effective when you have an industry relevant site linking back to you. So for example, if you have a remodeling or a roofing company, that links your site on their page, it would be far more powerful than that local restaurant doing the same thing. We look at your competition, it looks like they have 57 domains that are giving them 641 backlinks, and that's driving quite a bit of traffic to their site. So in this tool, what we can also do, we can pick apart what keywords are working well for the competition and what is relevant to you, and then go after those in particular for your own website. So you'll recall that we did a Google search for gutter installation Tampa or gutters Tampa. So right now 250 people every month are searching for gutters Tampa. And currently 30 of them are going to your competition site. So let's assume that now you're going to be generating that same traffic as your competition in that #1 spot. And now you're closing, let's say 50% of those calls, which is pretty typical for this industry. So they're closing right around 15 jobs per month, just from their online presence alone. So also keep in mind that this is just for gutter install jobs specifically in Tampa. All other services that you provide and also rank for would just add to this number. I'm not sure what your margins are, but 15 jobs per month, I imagine that would generate some pretty decent extra revenue for you. So this is what I do for a living, and I absolutely love it. I created this video to help you start generating your own leads online by utilizing these tips that I've shown you today. I would love just a little bit of feedback. If you could just give me a little bit of feedback on what you liked, what you didn't like, what was helpful, what maybe wasn't very helpful, that would be wonderful. Even just one line would be great. I'm always looking for ways to improve and add more value to the small business owners that I work with every day. I would also love to see your site in that #1 spot. I do look forward to your feedback. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you.